Today we're going to unbox this set of headlights we received from Termitor and compare it to our old headlights that we'll be replacing with this set. First up, we've got a pair of white cotton gloves. That's a really nice touch. And there's a special card in here with a support email address and invitation to become a Termitor VIP customer to receive upgraded bulbs at a huge discount. There's also a little booklet that provides instructions on how to install the bulbs. The steps are numbered and easy to read and comes with pictures. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the bulbs. This is the 4-pack they sent us. There are two 9005s, which are the low beams. You can see each headlight is clearly marked so you know which one is which. And here are the high beams, the H11s. So we're going to go ahead and show you what our current old headlights look like. We're outside by the driveway, and here is what our old low beams look like. And then here is what our old high beams look like. You'll notice that they both cast a warm yellowish light. Now back inside our garage, we've removed all of our headlights, and here's a comparison of the new Termitor low beam light. The H11, which is the one on the left, and the old low beams are on the right. Next, we have a comparison of the new Termitor high beam light, the 9005 on the left, versus our old high beam light, which we just removed, and that's the one on the right. We'll go ahead and install the new low beams and high beams, and then we'll do a final comparison. Now, with all the new headlights replaced, here's what the new Termitor low beam H11s look like installed. And I put a picture up of the old low beams above so you can see the difference. In fact, take a look at the huge difference in brightness, and this is just the low beams. Here's what the high beams look like. These lights are bright and perfect if you do a lot of night driving as well as driving in difficult weather like rain, fog, or snow.